What's up, guys? And I'm in the bridge of the Titanic right now, which is where they used to the ship. There's a telegraph right here. Ding, ding. There's another telegraph on the bulkhead because there's like a catwalk, escape ladder, in case watertight doors close and you can't get up in the meantime. Is there no, which I think you do recognize. As soon as you see, here's the stairs to the boiler room. Now here's some coal. It's the boilers with the furnace and some more coal for another furnace. I blew myself, guys. Let's go for it, guys. Well, here's the watertight doors, the bulkhead, and here's the escape ladder in case you get trapped behind the bulkhead. Also, if there's orders from the captain in the and you need to win the telegraph so you know you got them, so the captain knows that you've got them back. Also, so the stokes and the boiler room know. Let's get back. And in case of flooding and the watertight doors closed and you can't get out, there's another ladder down here to get in the engine room. Well, let's not go that way. And here's the engine room with the pistons, crankshafts, and like those like barrels of like steam in. And here's like a catwalk because here's like the propeller shaft. Could only fit one in though. So yeah. Also now it's simulate the Titanic sinking. Iceberg right ahead. At starboard. Starboard. It's hard over. Ding ding for the stone. Me. For the stone. Oh, go. Faster. Shh. Shut all the dampers. Shut them. What's it turning? We're flooding. No. Go. Doors closing. Billy, get up. Jump. Destroyed it again. Ding. Jump. Oh. Jump. Our simulation didn't go as planned, but at least it worked. I see now the steam comes from the boilers through a pipe into those barrels which push a small piston up there, and then which push the actual piston, which makes the crankshaft move, which makes the propeller shaft turn, which makes the propeller move. And when it reverses, the pistons just go the other way. And hey, MK Baddie. Here's MK. Hey, you lovely. No, I'm going to read the chat, guys. Yeah, let me out. I'm stuck in your guide. Okay. Hey, love. Okay. Okay, buddy. Hi. Well, now I want to see what's going on. Where's MK Baddie? Can't find MK Baddie. Please, MK Baddies. Where's MK Baddie? This is no one's. This is also no one's. Oh my god, no. Oh yeah, here's some toast. This is mine's because there's a hole. Choose for you citizens. Please be MK Baddie. Oh god damn it. Where are they though? No, I can't find it. This has to be MK Buddy. Albert Berber. Here's Albert's baby. This has to be MK Buddy. Oh my god, they're actually good. God, but this has to be MK Buddy, even though it's just diamonds and glass and brick house and black house. Who built? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gifted you. Where's MK Buddy? Wait, no, let's read some more stuff. Let's doing task. I'm good to go. Join me. Let's play Task Force. MK Buddy. Let's play Task Force. I said. Let's play Task Force. I said. Birdie doesn't. This has to be MK Buddy because Buddy's like pink. Oh my god! It's MK Buddy. What if she looks like Birdie as well? This has to be MK. But the same thing. This has to be. This has fancy good. Get away! I don't like pink. Good. Oh, let me go to yours. Okay, go now. Hey, buddy, go to yours, gosh. I need yours. Dad. Okay, one guy doesn't speak. Go to your plot. Go to your plot. Where's MK Buddy? MK Buddy. I know where you are. Oh my god. Now it's gonna take forever to get back to my house. Where's MK Buddy? Oh my god, where's MK Buddy? I can't find it. I can't. It's not Mighty Goose. Where are the places? This is built, but I can't actually find it. Guest. He's called Guest. So Guest. Must be banana. This has to be. What's it? Okay, guys. Well, like and subscribe, and comment down below what your favourite Bloxed game is. Peace.